السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم، أما بعد، فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إنك لعلى خلق عظيم. صدق الله العظيم. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this chance and my all teachers and my all students. It is my pleasure to introduce myself. I am Abdul Aziz from West Bengal. I am teaching in this madrasa at class Arabic. I am standing in front of all for telling two biography of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in two parts. Number one, who is the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Number two, how was the biography of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Number one, who is the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the messenger and servant of Allah. The Prophet's father's name Abdullah and mother's names Amna and grandfather's names Abdul Muttalib, and he belonged to Quraysh. The shadow of praise rose in childhood. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam spent his childhood with great difficulty. When he was 25 years old, he married Khadijatul Kubra radiyallahu ta'ala anha. When he was 25 years old, he married Khadijatul Kubra radiyallahu ta'ala anha and had 6 children, 2 boys and 4 girls. When the blessed Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam reached the age of 40, he has privilege of the prophets in the he has privilege of prophecy in the Quran began to be relieved. Number 2, how was the biography of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? What all can I say about the biography of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? If the heavens and the earth were made into papers, and all the trees were made into pens, and the wall trees were made into pens, and the water of the sea were made into ink, the biography of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam could not be finished. So, look at the Holy Quran. Allah has mentioned about Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam 1,400 times. If anyone asks how was the hand of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the Quran says, وَمَا رَمَيْتَ إِذْ رَمَيْتَ وَلَكِنَّ اللَّهَ رَمَى. If anyone asks how was the language of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the Quran says, وَمَا يَنْتِقُ عَنِ الْهَوَىٰ إِنْ هُوَ إِلَّا وَحْيٌ يُوحَىٰ. If someone asks how is the character of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the Quran says, إِنَّكَ لَعَلَى خُلُقٍ عَظِيمٍ. If anyone asks how was the heart of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the Quran says, أَلَمْ نَشْرَحْ لَكَ صَدْرَكَ. If anyone asks how was the back of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the Quran says, الَّذِي أَنْقَضَ ظَهْرَكَ. Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, best man of the world. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he has a best student. He has a best student. He was a best student. He was a best teacher. He was a best leader. He was the most beautiful. He was the most loving. He was the most honest. He was the most wished. We are proud. We are proud that we are ummah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So we should follow in the footsteps of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Assalamu alaikum.